If you use Affinity, then you have to know about the script manager for Affinity. It's an insanely useful application built by a member of the community. Here you can write and create your own scripts that then install to Affinity. You can also explore community made scripts and with one click install it to Affinity for use. And there's a ton of scripts here. There's new ones being added. It looks like almost every single day. It's insanely useful and it allows you to do stuff you could never do before. So to find your scripts, go up here to Window, General, and then click Scripts. This will probably be empty for you, but don't worry, I'll show you how to add more. I'm going to use this Extrude tool, and as you can see, it creates a connection between the shapes, and by clicking Apply, it actually applies it. So now I just want to take the white rectangle, and we're going to bring it on top. And now check it out. We have like a 3D looking extruded shape, which is super cool. This wasn't possible before without these scripts, but now it is because of these tools that people made. So this tool was originally intended to be used exclusively with an AI. Members of the community opened it up and now it's available to us, which is great. Or there's a new tool created that pretty much does the same things, but some people are having issues with the application. Well, this is a web app, which means that you don't need to install anything at all. Now, in order to use any scripts in Affinity, you have to enable the MCP. Command comma on Mac to open your settings. I don't know how you do it on Windows. Whatever you do, you need to get to the settings. Get there and then click on Model Context Protocol and make sure that this is enabled. This has to be enabled in order for any of these tools to work. In your web browser, go to affinityhub.js.org. I'll include this in the description. There's a bunch of scripts already on here that was listed by the community, and on the right side this is the code of the selected script. So it's all open source. You can see what it's doing and try to learn from it. So this is the vector pattern fx, and this is the code for that script. Pretty neat. Couple of important things. We have a search bar. We have a field here where you can upload your own custom scripts and it will install it to Affinity. This button is very important. It has to be green because when it's green it means it's connected to Affinity. If it's not green, there's something wrong. I can't diagnose that for you, but with one click you can install scripts to Affinity. I already had this installed, so it was giving me an error. Let's try a different one. Let's try this one, and if I install it, it takes a second, and look, it's successfully installed. Like super fast, super easy. This creates charts from CSV files, which, I mean, that is genuinely super useful. That is honestly a very handy tool. I will have to test that out. But anyways, let's get back to Affinity, and I'm going to create a rectangle shape. Over here in the script window, you can search for your script. So I could search for the vector pattern fx, or you can just scroll down and you can rename, delete scripts, whatever. I don't want to rename it. And then I think you can reorganize scripts. Do I just drag it? Okay, well, it's not working right now. I'm just not going to worry about it. But if I click this, you see it pops up this window here with all of these customizable fields. I want to fit this only to the current selection. I'm going to make sure this is in preview mode. And now check it out. It's constraining the pattern to the selection, which is pretty great. It is important to note you can't move your mouse on the canvas when this is open, so you have to apply it first and then you can move it around. And now looky here, we've got a pattern on top of our rectangle that we can move around. Genuinely, scripting in Affinity completely changes the game. It opens new abilities, it allows us to create new tools that we couldn't have done before, and it's genuinely incredibly useful. Like here I can create a tiled pattern of this rectangle if I wanted. I don't want to right now, but it's possible now in one click, which we couldn't really do before. So this is super easy. It makes it really convenient to add scripts to Affinity. I'll leave this in the description. I didn't make this tool. I just think it's really cool, so I want to promote it and share it. Seriously, community is awesome, and it's going to allow us to create so many new cool things so much better, faster, and easier. So thanks for watching. Peace out.